Hello, my dear colleagues. Welcome to Dental AI. This is a channel dedicated to exploring artificial intelligence in dentistry, focused on scientific research, academic trends, and practical applications. You'll also find additional resources on our website and across our social media. Their links are available in the video description and in the comments. My name is Dr. Nilson Pereira. I'm a Brazilian dentist with 38 years of experience in dentistry. I'm an oromaxillofacial radiologist and health informatics specialist. Since 2020, I have been researching AI in dentistry. Currently, I'm pursuing a master's degree at the Department of Radiology from the School of Medicine at Federal University of Rio de Janeiro, focused on artificial intelligence in dental radiology. On this channel, we will analyze twice a week the main features of scientific publications, more than 1,000 in total. For your convenience, I summarize the findings from my scoping review, so you will not have to search several databases, screen publications, and extract key information yourself. But don't worry, you won't have to wait until the very end to see the results. We will work in smaller cycles. Every time we complete 50 publications, we will pause for a special vid with exploratory data analysis EDA. In this EDA, we will review the most important findings, identify patterns, and highlight key trends. This is the table that we will use for data extraction. Some columns include drop-down menu with predefined options. Please note that filling out each cell correctly will make our EDA much easier at the end of each cycle. You can download this spreadsheet through the link in the comments. Additionally, on our website, you will find an ebook that explains the entire data extraction process step by step, also available for download. In this video, we will analyze and extract data from the following publication: 3D cephalometric landmark detections by multiple stage deep reinforcement learning. You'll find the DOI for this publication in the comments and the description. Let's proceed with the data extraction. So I have already filled out the title of the publication, the year of the publication you can find in the bottom. As you can see here, 2021. We can use the drop-down menu. The modality for this publication, as you can see here, is computerized tomography. Alright, use the drop-down menu. The data set we can find in the methods, as you can see here, is 20 for training and 8 for test, so 28. The dataset split: training 20 and test 8. The network architecture was a variation from the deep reinforcement learning that they call double DQN. So double DQN. The metrics for this publication we can find in the results. They use a mean error, and detection rate. Regarding the annotation process, as you can see here, they use 2 experts, so quantity 2. There is no mention for a supervisor, so no. Their experience level, as you can see, more than 10 years, so 10 years. Their expertise area is not mentioned, but as they work with cephalometric analysis, let's go with orthodontists. The tool that was used was, as you can see here, to construct the label data using STOA software. We don't have this in our predefined drop down menu, so let's fill out. The task, as you can see here, was 3D cephalometric landmark detection. So in cephalometric detection, we use point detections. The project objective was develop an automatic 3D cephalometric annotation system using volume rendered imaging and selective single or multi-stage deep reinforcement. And the last column is the DOI of the publication, as you can see here in the bottom of the page. It's important because with this information you can assess the publication by yourself. So our data extraction is complete. Let's take a look at the blog page. You can find this blog in our website with a summary from these publications, the keywords, the extracted data, and some information that I find important about this publication, like the efficiency, innovation, and future potential. So that's it for this publication. Thank you for watching our channel. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share to stay updated. Your comments and feedback are very welcome. They help improve the project and guide future analysis. In our next video, we will analyze this publication, 3D morphometric quantification of maxilla and defects for patients with unilateral cleft palate via deep learning-based CBCT image out-segmentation. So, thank you very much for watching our channel and see you in the next video.